guys, just want to take a quick second to remind you about our 2022 Hootenanny. That is going to be October 13th through the 16th here at Creek Fire RV Resort in Savannah. So don't miss it. All the info's on our website. Don't miss me beating up on one of our subscribers, Steve, in the river raft race. So, see you there.
I can stand in the middle and
blow the whistle.
And, you know, so-and-so's coming around the corner.
Oh, yeah.
Did you want me to do that?
He's going down. Guys, welcome back to Home on the Hitch. Where are we?
We're in Savannah.
Yep, and currently right now we're in Forsyth Park. Is that what it's called? Forsyth Park?
It is.
This is the Forrest Gump Park. Where somewhere around here is the bench from the Forrest Gump movies, so that's pretty cool.
They have a little music on the square here today. That's nice.
It's sunny and people are out. See what we can find here. There's how many parks here in Savannah?
Oh, don't mark me. 22, 26, somewhere in there.
Lots of these parks just scattered throughout the city. There's no telling how old these trees are, these live oak trees, and you'll find a lot of they're giant, these big old magnolia trees as well. So this is, what is this?
I don't know. Mr. Forsyth?
This is history.
This place is gorgeous. Look at the trees lining the walkway behind us.
Really gorgeous. There's so much history in Savannah here, with being Georgia's oldest city and one of the oldest ports around. So we'll be looking at that. Maybe we'll see River Street, if not this week, sometime. They said the state parks are really awesome, so we may drive down and try to take a look at Skidaway. All right, we're here in the square, and I don't know what they're filming. But they're filming. What is this? Some kind of... Comment down below if you have any idea what they're filming. I'm trying to get a good picture of them.
Isn't the fountain beautiful?
The fountain's gorgeous anyway. It's the fragrant rose garden. I don't smell anything.
It's the best life.
Honey's living its best life.
Yeah, Dad?
Yep. Honey and Mel are happy to be out because they've been locked up at the RV while figuring out my deal.
Well, it's not really been that bad. I really have enjoyed the peace and quiet.
And it's a nice place. So.
It is a very nice place. It's quiet. There's people around, and there's lots to do, so I don't really feel like I'm isolated or alone. So in case y'all didn't know, Spanish moss is invasive, and it's a parasite, and it grows mites and parasites. So don't touch it, don't eat it, don't burn it.
Don't wear it as a wig. Apparently Forrest's bench is no longer in the park.
He's in a museum now.
Well, life is like a box of chocolates. Never know what you're going to get. Apparently we're not going to get Forrest's bench. So.
No, not today. Main hall there. Isn't that gorgeous?
I don't know. So this, like right here, all this right here, is kind of what my mind pictured that New Orleans should have been.
But it wasn't.
But no, it wasn't. So,
I mean,
it was cool.
There was a couple of areas that was cool, but not really.
It wasn't what I expected.
So Savannah has so much to offer as far as food and drinks. There is a college down here, the SCAD College.
There's a lot of tours, trolleys, city tours, and things of that nature. So there's never a shortage of things to do.
And the city is rich in nightlife also. And during the spring and summer months, they have a lot of festivals on the river.
Yeah. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. That is good. Pine Ridge. Sauvignon Blanc blend. Viogner. Pretty tasty though. So Mel's making the charcuterie tray. We've been sitting here watching Harold and Cindy, One Strange Adventure, on the old YouTube. And I've got a friend that lives down in Savannah, and spoke with her yesterday back and forth on texting, so we're going to hook up with her at some point in time. She's going to show us around.
That'd be cool.
Have some fun. So that'll be a lot of fun.
Then we really get to have the local experience.
Yeah. So
I'm really looking forward to going to the River Street and seeing the Savannah Bee Company and some of the little fun boutiques that are down
we'll
there.
have a lot of great stuff down there. So that'll be coming up. This week's video is probably kind of short, but that's okay. We're still trying to kind of settle in. But I think that we may try to do a live stream the same night, because we haven't done a live stream in a little bit, but we definitely need to do one of those. But thanks for hanging out with us for this brief overview of Savannah. Until next time, guys, take care of each other.
Love each other.
Make every moment count. See you next time, guys.